Hello friends, in this video we're going to carefully verify and authenticate our Pepperstone Broker account. Once you log into your account, you'll see the upload option right here. We click on the upload option.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
You must upload a government photo ID like your passport, driver's license, or ID card, as well as proof of residence for the broker. We select the first step. In this section, we select the desired file. We've uploaded the file. We select the Continue option. We select the Submit option. Also, to upload proof of residence, we select the document and drag and drop it onto the page. The document you upload must include your name and personal details, and your full current address must be clearly and legibly visible. It must also be from within the last 3 months. Upload the document in this section. After uploading the document, we select the Continue option. And we select the Submit option. We've uploaded the documents. Once the broker reviews and approves them, they'll respond via email and notify you that your account has been verified. In future videos, we'll be with you to discuss deposit and withdrawal methods at Pepperstone Broker. Good luck!
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.